China Medical University Hospital, CMUH, founded in 1980, is the largest medical institution in central Taiwan. CMUH has 7 medical buildings, over 2,200 beds, and 190,000 outpatient visits per month. It has been a well-trusted medical center to the public. To serve the people in need, the CMUH system has continuously expanded its services. Currently, there are 5 institutions including China Medical University Hospital, Children's Hospital, Beigang Hospital, Tainan Municipal and Nan Hospital, Hsinchu Hospital, and several supporting organizations collaborating to provide the most immediate support. To assist domestic and international companies with clinical trial quality assurance, CMUH strictly follows the International Conference on Harmonization Good Clinical Practice to review and implement clinical trials. To speed up the clinical trial process, there are 3 review committees of our Research Ethics Committee. Ethics review meetings are held almost every week. Besides, the review system and subject protection measures have been accredited by the Office for Human Research Protection's Federal-wide Assurance and the Association for the Accreditation of Human Research Protection Program. For a more high-quality and safe clinical trial environment, CMUH has clinical trial wards, specimen processing rooms, and a clinical trial pharmacy. All the important devices are calibrated by SGS periodically.
CMUH has been a trusted collaborative partner to many global pharmaceutical companies and contract research organizations. Our clinical trial partners include the world's top 50 international pharmaceutical companies. So far, CMUH CTC has contracted with more than 400 clinical research companies and conducted over 1,500 clinical trials, including roughly 100 phase 1 studies.
The Clinical Trial Center was established in 2010 with a primary mission to provide clinical trial integrated services, management, and implementation. To speed up the initiation of the clinical trial, CTC accepts English contracts. The contracts can be submitted for review in parallel with the Research Ethics Committee and the Food and Drug Administration of the Ministry of Health and Welfare to promote the trial as soon as possible. Clinical research nurses from CTC perform various services in subject recruitment, assist in coordination during clinical trials, and provide subjects with the most immediate, complete, and professional care. In addition, CTC regularly organizes domestic and international clinical trial-related activities to improve the abilities and knowledge required in trial execution. Invite experts from industry, government, and academia to provide professional training courses in person and online to continuously acquire knowledge and improve Taiwan's competitiveness. CTC set up the nation's first academic research organization, which offers one-stop comprehensive services. Compared to commercial CROs, the ARO is more efficient and cost-effective. ARO provides a wide range of services that covers clinical trial consultation, protocol design, TFDA, IRB document submission, clinical trial project management and monitoring, data management and analysis, and clinical study report writing. ARO has extensive experience in conducting clinical trials, including multinational multicenter clinical trials such as ATTACH-2 and EXTEND studies. Its remarkable performance has been recognized on international stages by CNN in the United States and the European Stroke Organization. Furthermore, the outcomes of these clinical trials have been published in high-ranking SCI journals such as The Lancet and the New England Journal of Medicine. The Dry Lab team at CTC provides clinical trial data management and related statistical analysis services, such as sample size calculation, randomization, and statistical analysis reports. We also analyze big data, such as that from the Health and Welfare Data Science Center and the Taiwan Stroke Registry, to conduct real-world studies and generate real-world evidence. This kind of study assists in the conceptualization and execution of investigator-initiated trials or serves as supplementary evidence for post-marketing studies of drug effectiveness and safety. Up to now, more than 400 SCI papers related to marketed drugs have been successfully published. Some dosing recommendations and warnings that differ from the existing package insert were indicated in those studies. Our CTC holds over 160,000 stroke registries in Taiwan. In response to the recent rise of using real-world evidence in clinical trials, together with the Big Data Center and the Artificial Intelligence Center, 3 million electronic medical records from the China Medical University Hospital Medical System were integrated and a decision support platform for stroke was established. The AI-assisted STEMI triage system from ambulance to ER has already been implemented at the hospital. It has become one of the emergency ambulance tools in the central area of Taiwan. We have achieved the goal of smart healthcare and became the top 3 smart hospitals in the world in 2023. Each team of the CTC implements different professional tasks to push forward the promotion, supervision, and management of clinical trial affairs in the hospital to improve the quality and execution of clinical trials as well as the smooth launch of new drugs and medical devices.
The complete clinical trial environment, regulations, and excellent medical personnel make Taiwan a favorable choice for global companies to conduct multinational clinical trials. With the professionalism and the high quality of conducting multinational clinical trials, the number of clinical trial applications for import drugs in Taiwan has steadily increased. CMUH will enhance cooperation with biopharmaceutical industry in clinical trial by leveraging the long-term partnership between CTC and the domestic and the international companies to improve efficiency of subject recruitment and the clinical trial research capacity. Our goal is to hasten the release of new drugs and medical devices while also promoting public health and well-being.